This is a good shot played by the batsman. This is first six for the batsman Zahid. He's on his bowling mark to the batsman Abdul Hamid. Oh, this is a good delivery by Shahid Wani. Very good delivery, dot delivery, no run. आज एक बड़ा मुकाबला यहाँ पे चुकर तुलबा ग्राउंड में सेमीफाइनल खेला जा रहा है इन दो टीमों के दरमियान अंडर 19 T20 सुपर कप चुकर क्रिकेट क्लब वर्सेस कश्मीर यूनाइटेड शाहिद वानी अगेन दिस इज अनदर गुड डिलीवरी बीट द बैट्समैन मारना चाहते थे इस बॉल पर लेकिन बीट हुए अब्दुल हमीद नो रन स्कोर रिमेन्स ऑन नो दिस इज द फर्स्ट इवनिंग ऑफ दिस मैच दिस इज सेमीफाइनल बिटवीन द टू टीम्स चुकर क्रिकेट क्लब वर्सेस कश्मीर यूनाइटेड Shahid Wani again on his bowling mark to the batsman Abdul Hamid. Abdul Hamid plays a shot here and this is a 4 for Abdul Hamid, 4 for Chukar Riders. Abdul Hamid, he opens his account with this 4 on board. This is first 4 for Chukar Cricket Club and this is the first over. आप सभी से गुजारिश है इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें. So 4 runs on board for Chukar Riders. Shahid again to the batsman Hamid. This is a good shot again played by the batsman, the captain of this team, Abdul Hamid. 4 for Abdul Hamid, 4 for Chukar Riders. The score moves on 8 without any loss. And this is the first over of this semi-final between Chukar Riders versus Kashmir United. This is T20 Super Cup under 19 played at Chukar Tulba ground. Shahid Wani again on his bowling mark to the batsman Abdul Hamid. Oh, this is a good comeback, very good comeback by the bowler Shahid Wani. Again the batsman Abdul Hamid wants to hit this ball but missed this ball. A very good delivery by Shahid Wani. Score remains on 8 without any loss and this is the first over of this first evening. It is semi-final between the two teams, Chukar Riders versus Kashmir United. And this is the last delivery of this first over. Oh, very good delivery by Shahid Wani. He takes his first wicket in the shape of Abdul Hamid. Abdul Hamid lost his first wicket. Very good delivery, good clean board Abdul Hamid. And this is the first wicket for Kashmir United. Very good delivery by Shahid Wani. Abdul Hamid, he goes on 8. The score is 8 on board and they lost 1 wicket in the shape of Abdul Hamid. The captain gone. Javed Naku, live chat, thank you. Javed Naku sir for joining us with this live broadcast. Keep share this live broadcast with your friends. And this is a T20 Super Cup under 19 played at Chukar Tulba ground. Today is semi-final between Chukar Cricket Club versus Kashmir United. First Chukar Cricket Club, they win the toss and they decided to bat first. But unfortunately they lost their first wicket in first over in the shape of Abdul Hamid. Very well bowling by Shahid Wani. He takes his first wicket on his first over. They win the toss and they decide. Jayed Naik को आपका शुक्रिया. DX Shakir, thank you for joining us with this live broadcast. अगर हम आज बात करें चुकर क्रिकेट क्लब की, टॉस जीतकर पहले बल्लेबाजी का निर्णय दिया लेकिन पहले ही ओवर में उन्होंने पहला विकेट गंवाया अब्दुल हमीद के रूप में. The captain of Chukar Riders lost their wicket and only 8 runs on board. यहाँ पे अगर बात करेंगे टारगेट की, एक अच्छा सा टारगेट देना होगा because this is a batting pitch here. Now the new batsman is Mir Ubaid is the new batsman for Chukar Riders. Iris, he is on strike now. Zahid Rathar is the bowler. He is on his bowling mark to the batsman Zak Iris. Oh, this is here was the chance, but very good try by the keeper. Very good try at the end. यहाँ पे एक पार्टनरशिप की जरूरत है चुकर क्रिकेट क्लब को क्योंकि पहले ही एक विकेट गंवाए है 8 रन पर. This is very good delivery by Zahid Rathar. No run score remains on 8 for the loss of 1. Wahid Bashir, big fans are. Thank you Wahid Bashir साहब for joining us with this live broadcast. आप कमेंट सेक्शन में जरूर लिखिए आप तक हमारी आवाज और हमारी लाइव स्ट्रीम की काटी कैसी पहुंच पा रही. This is against. Oh, this is Karti shot. Very good shot played by the batsman Aris. And this is first 6 for Aris. First 6 for Chukar Cricket Club. This is very good shot, talented shot. played by the batsman Ariz. And this is big shot. 6 for Chukar, 6 for the batsman Ariz. The score moves on 14 for the loss of 1. आज निराश किया यहाँ पे कैप्टन अब्दुल हमीद ने, पहले ही अपनी विकेट गंवाई, सिर्फ 8 रन दिए अपनी टीम को। आप सभी का शुक्रिया इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़ने के। ज्यादा से ज्यादा इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को शेयर करें ताकि जो भी घर बैठे देखने वाले हैं वो इस मैच का आनंद ले, इस मैच का मजा ले। And you can also watch this live stream on my YouTube channel Muhammad Anas bin Bilal. This is Super Cup T20 Under-19 played at Chukkar Tulba ground. The two teams are Chukkar Cricket Club versus Kashmir United. Chukkar Cricket Club, they win the toss and they decided to bat first. But unfortunately they lost their first wicket in first over. This is great bowling by Shahid Wani. He takes his first wicket in his first over. Again, Zahid, he's on his bowling mark part. This is a wide tune by the umpire Tar Yusuf. The score moves on 15 for the loss of 1. And this is the second over of this first inning. And this is semi-final here at Chukkar Tulba ground. Shahid, OSM shot. Thank you, Shahid Saab, for joining us with this live broadcast. शाहिद साहब आपका शुक्रिया, आप सभी का शुक्रिया इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़ने के लिए। आप इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को ज्यादा से ज्यादा शेयर करें। दिस इज अगेन जाहिद टू द बैट्समैन आरिज, और दिस इज great delivery but cannot stop the two batsmen to take a single. With this single the score moves on 16 for the loss of 1. And this is the second over of this first inning between the two teams. Now Mir Ubaid, he is on strike, the new batsman. आप सभी का शुक्रिया इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़ने के लिए। इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को ज्यादा से ज्यादा शेयर करें ताकि जो और भी देखने वाले हैं घर बैठे वो इस मैच का आनंद ले, इस मैच का मजा ले। एंड यू कैन आल्सो वॉच दिस लाइव स्ट्रीम ऑन माय यूट्यूब चैनल मोहम्मद अनस बिन बिलाल। दिस इज अगेन जाहिद राटेड टू द न्यू बैट्समैन मीर उबैद। दिस इज अ ग्रेट डिलीवरी बाय Zahid Rathar. No runs score remains on 16 for the loss of 1. Wahid Bashir, thank you for your love, thank you for your support. Keep share this live stream with your friends. Roop Ahmad Mir, thank you Roop Ahmad Mir साहब for joining us with this live broadcast. आप इस live broadcast को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा share करें। This is a very important match played here at Chukkar Tulba ground. The two teams are Chukkar Cricket Club versus Kashmir United. This is again Zahid to the batsman Mir Ubaid, but at the end very good delivery, at the end very good fielding by the fielder. No runs score remains on 16 for the loss of 1. This is first inning of this semi-final, and this is the first semi-final of Under-19 T20 Super Cup at Chukkar Tulba ground. The two teams are Chukkar Cricket Club versus Kashmir United. Zahid Rathar again on his bowling mark to the batsman Mir Ubaid. Oh, very good delivery. Beat the batsman Mir Ubaid. No run. So this is end of 2 hours. The score on board is 16 for the loss of 1. Shani Shaukat Anas Bilal, slowly and gradually you are getting the grip for the things. Nice to see you growing from good towards better. Keep it up here. Thank you Shahid, Shani Shaukat Saab, for your love, for your support. Keep sharing the live stream also with your friends. And also thanks to you. And also thanks to all of you. आप सभी का शुक्रिया इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़ने के लिए। इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को ज्यादा से ज्यादा शेयर करें। दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट मैच, सेमीफाइनल बिटवीन द टू टीम्स, Chukkar Cricket Club versus Kashmir United. Kashmir Chukkar Cricket Club, they win the toss and they decided to bat first. This is again Shahid Wani to the batsman Haris. Oh, this is great delivery, very good delivery, quality delivery by Zahid. Shahid Wani beat the batsman Haris. No run, score remains on 16 for the loss of 1. And this is the third over of this first inning. आप सभी का शुक्रिया। उमर थैंक यू फॉर योर लव, थैंक यू फॉर योर सपोर्ट। सईद आदिल साहब आपका भी शुक्रिया। Thanks for joining us in this live broadcast. This is again Shahid Wani to the batsman Ariz. Oh, this is again very good bowling by Shahid Wani. Green bowled Ariz, the best batsman for Chukkar Cricket Club. Now Chukkar Cricket Club, they lost their 2 wickets early in the shape of second wicket in the shape of Ariz. The score is only 16 for the loss of 2. This is very great delivery by Shahid Wani. He takes his second wicket in his second over. अच्छी बॉलिंग का मुजाहरा आज कश्मीर यूनाइटेड की तरफ से। 2 विकेट चटकाए सिर्फ 16 रन बोर्ड पे। एंड दिस इज द थर्ड ओवर ऑफ दिस फर्स्ट इनिंग। दिस इज सेमीफाइनल बिटवीन द टू टीम्स। यहाँ पे ठंडे बाहर किए इस बॉलर ने, शाहिद वानी ने विकेट चटकाई आदिस की। नाउ Chukkar Cricket Club, they lost their second wicket in the shape of Haris. This is very great bowling by Kashmir United. Early they take 2 early wickets here. आप सभी का शुक्रिया इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़ने के लिए। आप इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें ताकि जो घर बैठे देखने वाले हैं वो इस मैच का आनंद ले, इस मैच का मजा ले। This is a semi-final here at Chukar Tulba ground. The two teams are Kashmir United versus Chukar Cricket Club. Now the new batsman is Kamran Butt. Wahid Bashir. Now the game is dependent on big man Muzammil Mehraj. Wahid Bashir साहब आपका बहुत ही शुक्रिया इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़ने के लिए and thanks for your love, thanks for your support and this is good session for Chukar Cricket Club. The batsman Muzammil Mehraj, he also plays very well for his team. In the quarter final he make half century in that match against Shahid Wani. He take 2 early wickets for his team. Kamran Butt is a new batsman on strike. Oh, this is another good delivery. Beat the batsman Kamran Butt. Very good delivery by Shahid Wani. This is quality delivery here by the bowler Shahid Wani. Beat the batsman Kamran Butt. No run score, remains on 16 for the loss of 2. Again Shahid Wani to the batsman Kamran Butt. This is follow-up delivery, very good delivery. But at the end the two batsmen take a single. Kamran Butt, he opens his account with the single. The score moves on 17 for the loss of 2. Here the two batsmen, they need to be cool and calm here because they lost their early 2 wickets. They need a partnership here because this is 2020 overs game. बिलाल नज़ीर आपका शुक्रिया इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़ने के लिए और आपका इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में प्यार देने के लिए आपका शुक्रिया. This is again Shahid Wani to the batsman. Oh, this is very good delivery. Here was the appeal but cannot impress the umpire Tar Yusuf. Very good delivery Shahid Wani. Beat the batsman Mir Ubaid. No run score remains on 17 for the loss of 2. This is the first inning of this semi-final between Chukar Cricket Club versus Kashmir United. This is very impressive bowling by Shahid Wani. Riaz Naiku out count Kunwa. Thank you Riaz Naiku for your for joining us with this live broadcast. This is Shahid again to the batsman. The batsman plays here a good shot for 4. This is 4 for Mir Ubaid, 4 for Chukar Cricket Club. They need here shots, they need partnership because they lost their early 2 wickets here and they have only 21 runs on board. आप सभी का शुक्रिया इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़ने के लिए. The score Abdul Hamid lost his wicket, Aris lost his wicket, Mir Ubaid is on strike and Kamran Butt is on non-strike and yet to bat Mir Adil, Darnuddin, Zahid, Mehraj, Muzammil Mehraj, Ishfaq Loon, Faisal Najjar, Zubair is the batsman for yet to bat to Chukar Cricket Club. Now Kamran Butt is on strike. आप सभी का शुक्रिया आप इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़ने के लिए. इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें. Kamran Butt is on strike. Zahid to the batsman. Oh, this is great delivery. Very good delivery by the bowler Zahid. Beat the batsman Kamran Butt. And this is missed by wicketkeeper. This is by 4 for Chukar Cricket Club. The score moves on 25 for the loss of 2. Here the two batsmen, they need to be cool and calm. They need a partnership because this match is 2020 overs game. They have 8 wickets in hand. If now they should be sitting here. They should give a big partnership to his team because they lost their early 2 wickets. Zahid again on his bowling mark to the batsman Kamran Butt. He is on strike. Oh, this is very good delivery again by Zahid Butt. No run score remains on 25 for the loss of 2. आप सभी का शुक्रिया इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़ने के लिए. एक बड़ा सा टारगेट देना होगा इस टीम को बिकॉज दे हैव वेरी गुड बैटिंग साइड कश्मीर यूनाइटेड. आज अच्छा सा टारगेट देना होगा. 180 190 will be target for because Kashmir United they have very good batters. They have talented batsmen in his side. This is a single for the two batsmen. The score moves on 26 for the loss of 2 and this is the 4th over of this first inning of this match. आप सभी का शुक्रिया इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़ने के लिए. रफीक डार is also joining us with this live broadcast. Thanks for joining us and keep share this live stream with your friends and you can also watch this live broadcast on my YouTube channel Muhammad Anas bin Bilal. This again Zahid to the batsman Mir Ubaid. He's on strike. He's on 4. Here the two batsmen need to be cool and calm. Oh, this is great shot here played by the batsman Mir Ubaid. This is 4 for Mir Ubaid. 4 for Chukar Cricket Club. The score moves on 30 for the loss of 2. Here the two batsmen need to be cool and calm because they lost their early 2 wickets here. And this is the semi-final big match played here at Chukartulba ground. Under 19 T20 Super Cup. Zahid again to the batsman Mir Ubaid. Oh, here was the chance of a catch, but at the end, very good fielding by the fielder. No runs score, remains on 30 for the loss of 2. यहाँ पे एक अच्छा सा टारगेट देना होगा चुक्कर क्रिकेट क्लब को, कश्मीरी यूनाइटेड को, क्योंकि दिस पिच इज बैटिंग पिच हियर. After 3.5 hours, the score is 30 for the loss of 2. आप इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें. कमेंट सेक्शन में ज़रूर लिखिए आप तक हमारी आवाज़ और हमारी क्वालिटी कैसी पहुंच पा रही है, आप ज़रूर कमेंट सेक्शन में लिखिए. This is again Zahid to the batsman Mir Ubaid. He is on strike. Oh, this is very good delivery by Zahid. No runs score, remains on 30 for the loss of 2. Zahid Ayer from is it under 19? Thank you, Zahid Ayer BNB, for joining us with this on my YouTube channel. Yes, this is under 19 T20 Super Cup. This is semi-final of this under 19, and this is first semi-final between the two teams, Chukkar Cricket Club versus Kashmir United. Chukkar Cricket Club, they win the toss and they decided to bat first. After 4 hours, the score on board is 30 and they lost 2 early wickets in the shape of Aris and in the shape of Abdul Hamid. This is great bowling here by Kashmir United, especially Shahid Waini. He takes his early 2 wickets. Very good bowling by Shahid Waini. Tanveer Rashid, best of luck, Chukkar Cricket Club. Thank you, Tanveer Rashid sir, for joining us with this live broadcast. This is best of luck for Chukkar Cricket Club by Tanveer Rashid. Keep share this live stream with your friends also, and you can also watch this live broadcast on my YouTube channel, Muhammad Anas bin Bilal. This is Fazil 45. This is first over for Fazil. He's on his bowling mark to the batsman Kamran, but he's on strike. He's on 2. Oh, this is great shot played by the batsman Kamran. This is 4 for Kamran. This is first 4 for Kamran, but the score moves on 34 for the loss of 2. Here the two batsmen need to be cool and calm. Tawfiq Umar Ahmad, Kamran ko bolo, youth bound off suffer. Thank you Tawfiq Umar sir for your love to Kamran Butt. This is Kamran Butt, he is on strike. He moves on 6. आप सभी का शुक्रिया इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़ने के लिए. इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें. दिस इज अगेन फाजिल टू द बैट्समैन कामरान. और दिस इज वेरी गुड कमबैक बाय द बॉलर जाहिद. फाजिल सॉरी, नो रन स्कोर रिमेन्स ऑन 34 फॉर द लॉस ऑफ 2. आप सभी का शुक्रिया इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़ने के लिए. यूट्यूब पे, फेसबुक पे आप इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को दे सकते हैं. मोहम्मद अनस बिन बिलाल, Zahid Arbab, you are doing great job, bro. In this heat, we can watch from comfort of home. Thank you, Zahid Arbab, for your love, for your support. Keep share this live broadcast. This is semi-final between the two teams, Chukkar Cricket Club versus Kashmir United. Fazil again to the batsman Kamran. Oh, this is good delivery. Beat the batsman Kamran, but no runs score. Remains on 34 for the loss of 2. Really, it is a very hit today, but it is a work. Work is a worship. Again Fazil to the batsman Kamran Butt. Oh, Kamran Butt मारना चाहते थे इस बॉल पे, लेकिन बीट हुए वहाँ पे. Good delivery by Fazil 45. Beat the batsman Kamran Butt. No run score. Remains on 34 for the loss of 2. यहाँ पे एक पार्टनरशिप की जरूरत है. यहाँ पे कूल एंड काम क्रिकेट खेलना होगा इन दो बल्लेबाजों को, because they lost their 2 early wickets. This is 2020 overs game. And also this is semi-final between the two teams. Again Fazil 45 to the batsman Kamran Butt. Oh, this is good bowling, great bowling by Fazil 45. No runs score. Remains on 34 for the loss of 2. आप सभी का शुक्रिया इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़ने के लिए. इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें ताकि जो घर बैठे देखने वाले हैं इस मैच का आनंद ले, इस मैच का मजा ले. This is the 5th over of this first evening. Fazil to the batsman Kamran. This is solo over delivery. Oh, very good delivery by Fazil 45. Beat the batsman Kamran Butt. No run score. Remains on 34 for the loss of 2. This is great bowling by the bowler Fazil 45. He completes his first over and gave only 4 runs in his first over. Very great bowling by the bowlers of Kashmir United. After 5 overs, 34 on board and they lost 2 wickets. यहाँ पे दो बल्लेबाजों को संभाल के खेलना होगा, एक अच्छी पार्टनरशिप देनी होगी अपनी टीम को, बिकॉज दे लॉस्ट देयर 2 early wickets here in the shape of Abdul Hamid and Haris. Now Mir Ubaid is on strike and Sahil is on his first over. आपसे सिर्फ इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें ताकि घर बैठे जो देखने वाले हैं वो इस एक अहम मुकाबले का मजा ले. दिस इज साहिल टू द बैट्समैन मीर उबैद. दिस इज ग्रेट फील्डिंग एट द एंड, वेरी गुड फील्डिंग. नो रन स्कोर, रिमेन ऑन 34 फॉर द लॉस ऑफ 2. मीर उबैद ही इज ऑन स्ट्राइक. यहाँ पे एक अच्छी पार्टनरशिप देनी होगी. दिस इज अगेन मीर उबैद वांट्स टू हिट दिस बॉल बट दिस इज वाइड गिवन बाय द अंपायर Dar Yusuf. The score moves on 35 for the loss of 2. Sahil again on his bowling mark to the batsman Mir Ubaid. Oh, this is a good shot at the end, very good fielding, but here was a misfielding by the fielder. The two batsmen completed a single. With the single, the score moves on 36 for the loss of 2. Now near Kamran Butt is on strike. Sahil to the batsman Kamran Butt. The score is 36. Oh, this is a great fielding at the end. नो रन स्कोर, रिमेन ऑन 36 फॉर द लॉस ऑफ 2. आप सभी का शुक्रिया इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़ने के लिए. इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को ज्यादा से ज्यादा शेयर करें. अगेन साहिल टू द बैट्समैन कामरान बट. दिस इज गुड शॉट प्लेड बाय द बैट्समैन कामरान. दिस इज 4 फॉर कामरान, 4 फॉर शुक्कर क्रिकेट क्लब. द स्कोर मूव्स ऑन 40 फॉर द लॉस ऑफ 2. हियर द टू बैट्समैन नीड टू बी कूल एंड calm. They need a partnership here because they lost their 2 early wickets. Yet to bat, Muzammil Mehraj is a good batsman for Chukkar Cricket Club. Mir Adil, Ishfaq Wani, and also Zubair Naiku, Faisal, Ishfaq Loan. This is again Mir Sahil. Oh, this is a chance here. This is a chance. Oh, this is end of Kamran Butt. Very good catch taken at the end. This is a wicket for Sahil. First wicket taken Sahil, and third wicket for Chukkar Cricket Club. They lost their third wicket in the shape of Kamran Butt. This is very great delivery by Sahil at the end. Very good catch taken by the fielder. The score on board is 40 for the loss of 3. यहाँ पे संभाल के खेलना होगा इन बल्लेबाजों को क्योंकि 3 विकेट गंवाए, सिर्फ 40 रन है बोर्ड पे. And this is the 6th over of this first inning. This is a great bowling by the bowlers of Kashmir United. They take their early 3 wickets here and only 40 runs on board. This is the 6th over of this first inning. The new batsman is Zubair. Is the new batsman on strike for Chukkar Royals. यहाँ पे इन 2 बल्लेबाजों को संभाल के खेलना होगा. एक पार्टनरशिप देनी होगी अपनी टीम को. एक अच्छा सा टारगेट देना होगा बिकॉज दिस पिच इज This pitch is a batting pitch here at Chukkar Tulba ground. Shaukat Mir, thanks for joining us with this live broadcast. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Walaikum salam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. आप सभी का शुक्रिया. शौकत मीर, आपका शुक्रिया इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़ने के लिए. तौफीक उमर अहमद, बिग फैन जुबैर, थैंक यू. तौफीक उमर अहमद साहब फॉर योर लव टू जुबैर. Zahid Uyub, best of luck Chukkar CC. This is love from Zahid Uyub to Chukkar Cricket Club. And also thanks to you all of you that you also support me, also join us with this live broadcast. Keep share this live broadcast with your friends and you can also watch this live broadcast on my YouTube channel Mohammad Anas bin Bilal. आप सभी का शुक्रिया इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़ने के लिए. इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें ताकि जो घर बैठे देखने वाले हैं वो इस मैच का मजा ले, इस मैच का आनंद ले. Zahid Zubair, sorry, he's on strike. The new batsman. Oh, this is great shot played by the batsman Zubair. 4 for Zubair. He opens his account with this 4. The score for Chukkar Royals is 44 for the loss of 3. After 6 hours, the first wicket Chukkar Royals lost on 8 runs after 2-8. Second wicket on 16, third wicket on 40. Now the 2 batsmen need to be cool and calm. They need a partnership here. 6 hours, 44 on board, and they lost 3 early wickets. This is great bowling by Kashmir United bowlers. Sophie Shamim, Poshak Khak says, sir, thank you Sophie Shamim Saab for joining us with this live broadcast. Dar Arif, fan Chus, Anas bin Bilal, thank you Dar Arif Saab for your love to me, and keep share this live broadcast to your friends also. This is a semi-final played at Chukkar Tulbagh ground. Under 19 T20 Super Cup. The two teams are Chukkar Cricket Club versus Kashmir United. Chukkar Cricket Club, they win the toss and they decided to bat first. But after 6 hours, the score on board is 44 for the loss of 3. Latif Kashmiri, great commentary with clear voice, video quality and voice. Thank you Latif Kashmiri साहब for your love, for your support. Also, आप सभी अपने कमेंट सेक्शन में लिखिए आप कहाँ से इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को देख रहे हैं। इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें ताकि जो घर बैठे देखने वाले हैं वो इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट का मजा ले, इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट का आनंद ले। So this is Mir Ubaid on strike and Faisal 45. He's on his bowling mark. In his first over he gave only 4 runs. Mir Ubaid, he's on 9 runs. Faisal to, this is a chance here. This is a chance. Oh, this is great catch taken at the end. And Lagan, very good catch. And this is end of Mir Ubaid. He lost his wicket. Only 9 runs make for Chukkar Cricket Club. This is 4th wicket for Chukkar Cricket Club. यहाँ पे इन बल्लेबाजों को जैसे कि जल्दी है जाने की. They lost their 4th wicket and they have only 44 runs on board. यहाँ पे संभाल के खेलना होगा लेकिन पता नहीं कौन सी जल्दी है इन बल्लेबाजों को अपना विकेट जल्दी गवा बैठे मीर उबैद. Chukkar Cricket Club, they lost their 4th wicket in the shape of Mir Ubaid. This is very great delivery by Faisal 45. He takes his first wicket in the shape of Mir Ubaid. Now the score is 44 for the loss of 4. This is 7th over of this first inning. This is great delivery, great catch at the end by the fielder. Now the new batsman is Faisal Ahmad Najjar. He's on strike now. The new batsman for Chukkar Cricket Club. यहाँ पे हम यही कह सकते हैं एक पार्टनरशिप देनी होगी अपनी टीम को, एक अच्छा सा टारगेट देना होगा इस टीम को. बिकॉज अगर हम बात करें कश्मीर यूनाइटेड के बल्लेबाजों की तो गहराई है इनके बल्लेबाजी में. This is Faisal on strike and Faisal he take his first wicket. Zahid Ayub, 0 cents. Mir Ubaid, thank you Zahid Ayub sahab for your good suggestion to Mir Ubaid. They lost their early wickets in chief. Faisal 45 again to the new batsman Faisal Ahmad Najjar. Oh, this slower delivery, very good delivery, but at the end very good fielding. Here the two batsmen take difficult runs. यहाँ पे इन रनों की जरूरत नहीं है, यहाँ पे विकेट बचाने होंगे, पार्टनरशिप देनी होगी अपनी टीम को, संभाल के खेलना होगा, संभाल के रन लेना होगा इन दो बल्लेबाजों को क्योंकि 4 विकेट गंवाए हैं. 45 ऑन बोर्ड. यहाँ पे संभाल के खेलना होगा चुक्कर क्रिकेट क्लब के बल्लेबाजों को. Because this is 2020 overs game here. This is semi-final. उमर मुश्ताक जाहिद मीर को जरूरी भेजना था बैटिंग के लिए. थैंक यू उमर मुश्ताक साहब फॉर योर लव फॉर योर गुड सेशन टू चुक्कर क्रिकेट क्लब. यहाँ पे विकेट बचाने होंगे, रन लेने होंगे, पार्टनरशिप देनी होगी चुक्कर क्रिकेट क्लब के बल्लेबाजों को. संभाल के खेलना होगा, दिमाग से खेलना होगा, शांति से खेलना होगा. Because they lost their 4 early wickets. This is Faisal 45 again to the batsman Zubair. और यहाँ पे चांस है और एक विकेट की. यहाँ पे संभाल के खेलना होगा, संभाल के खेलना होगा इन बल्लेबाजों को. Because they lost their 4 wickets early. यहाँ पे एक रन, यहाँ पे मुश्किल रन नहीं लेने होंगे, विकेट बचाने होंगे अपनी टीम के लिए. चुक्कर क्रिकेट क्लब, they are in trouble here. The score is 46 and they lost 4 early wickets. This is again Faisal 45 to the batsman Faisal. यहाँ पे संभाल के खेला होगा फैसल को. This is good bowling at the end, very good fielding. The two batsmen take a single. With the single, the score moves on 47 for the loss of 4. आप सभी का शुक्रिया इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़ने के लिए. इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को ज्यादा से ज्यादा शेयर करें और भी जो देखने वाले हैं वो घर बैठे इस मैच का आनंद ले. This is again to the batsman. Oh, this is great delivery, great delivery. Here is a chance of a wicket. यहाँ पे संभाल के खोना, frustrated between the two players. Very good fielding, very good delivery by the bowler. यहाँ पे दोनों बैट्समैन को दिमाग से खेलना होगा, ये रन बचाने होंगे, अपने विकेट बचाने होंगे. ये कौन से क्रिकेट खेल रहे हैं चुकर क्रिकेट क्लब? यहाँ पे संभाल के होगा. फ्रस्ट्रेटेड, दिस इज फ्रस्ट्रेशन ऑन दीज टू बैट्समैन बिटवीन जुबैर एंड फैसल. यहाँ पे अपनी टीम को मुश्किल हालातों से निकालना होगा. This is Faisal again to the batsman Zubair. Zubair needs to be cool and calm. This is a good shot played by the batsman Zubair, but only a single here. The two batsmen take a single. With this single, the score moves on 48 for the loss of 4. इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को ज्यादा से ज्यादा शेयर करें. यहाँ पे इन दो बल्लेबाजों को संभाल के खेलना होगा, दिमाग से खेलना होगा. अगर हम बात करेंगे आने वाले बैट्समैन मुजम्मिल महराज, मीर आदिल, आसिफ लोन, yet to bat for चुक्कर क्रिकेट क्लब. यहाँ पे एक अच्छी पार्टनरशिप देनी होगी अपनी टीम को. नाउ साहिल इज अगेन ऑन हिज बॉलिंग मार्क टू द बैट्समैन जुबैर. आज खेलना होगा अपनी टीम के लिए जुबैर और फैसल को. अच्छी बॉलिंग का मुजाहरा किया यहाँ पे आज कश्मीर यूनाइटेड के बॉलर्स ने. अर्ली 4 विकेट्स, दे टेक अर्ली 4 विकेट्स फॉर हिज टीम. 48 on board. Sahil again to the batsman. Oh, very good delivery. Dande bahar. This is 5th wicket for Chukar Cricket Club. Very good bowling by Sahil. He takes his 2nd wicket in the shape of Zubair. यहाँ पे अगर यही कहेंगे आज जल्दी है इन बल्लेबाजों को जाने की. 45 on board and they lost 5 early wickets. This is not good cricket here played by Chukar Cricket Club. They lost their early wickets here. यहाँ पे एक अच्छी बॉलिंग का मुजाहरा किया साहिल ने. विकेट बाहर किए, डंडे बाहर किए जुबैर नायको के. आज जल्दी खेलने का मजा ले रहे हैं चुक्कर क्रिकेट क्लब के बल्लेबाज. 5 विकेट गंवाए. 48 on board and this is the 8th over of this semi-final. This is first evening of this match. This is a not good cricket play today here at Chukar Tulba ground. आज जितनी तारीफ की जाए उतनी कम है. कश्मीर यूनाइटेड के गेंदबाजों की एक अच्छी बॉलिंग का मुजाहरा किया और फील्डिंग भी अच्छी की यहाँ पे इस ग्राउंड पे. साहिल ही टेक हिज 2nd wicket in his 2nd over. This is great bowling by the bowler Sahil. Now the new batsman is Muzammil Mehraj is the new batsman. This is very important batsman, important wicket for Chukar Cricket Club. अब आज मुजम्मिल महराज को ही खेलना होगा. संभाल के अपने टीम को मुश्किलात हालातों से निकालना होगा इस बल्लेबाज मुजम्मिल महराज को. Because this batsman has a very well talent, quality of batting. Now this batsman need to be steady and this batsman need to be cool and calm here because they lost their early 5 wickets. This is Sahil again. Beat the batsman Muzammil Mehraj, new batsman for Chukar Cricket Club. आज यहाँ पे निराश दिखाई दे रहे हैं चुक्कर क्रिकेट के तमाशाई चाहने वाले फैन क्योंकि 5 विकेट्स चटकाए है चुक्कर कश्मीर यूनाइटेड. दिस इज अ गुड शॉट प्लेड बाय द बैट्समैन. दिस इज 4 for मुजम्मिल महराज. ही ओपन्स हिज अकाउंट विद दिस 4 for चुक्कर क्रिकेट क्लब. यहाँ पे मुजम्मिल महराज को आज संभाल के खेलना होगा अपनी टीम के लिए. मुश्किल हालात में है इस वक्त चुक्कर क्रिकेट क्लब. निकालना होगा इस मुश्किल हालातों से इस बैट्समैन मुजम्मिल महराज को. दिस इज अगेन साहिल टू द बैट्समैन. ओह, दिस इज अ वेरी गुड कमबैक बाय द बॉलर साहिल. No runs score, remains on 52 for the loss of 5. Early 5 wickets for Chukar Cricket Club. Oh, this is great shot played by the batsman Muzammil Mehraj. He's on the 8. The score moves on 56 for the loss of 5. यहाँ पे आज इस बैट्समैन को संभाल के खेलना होगा. एक अच्छी पार्टनरशिप देनी होगी, दिमाग से खेलना होगा, विकेट भी बचानी होगी, रन भी देने होंगे क्योंकि 5 विकेट गंवाए हैं इस टीम ने, चुक्कर क्रिकेट क्लब ने. आप कमेंट सेक्शन में जरूर लिखिए आप तक हमारी क्वालिटी और हमारी वॉइस आप तक कैसी पहुंच पा रही है. This is T20 Super Cup Under-19 played at Chukar Tulba ground. The two teams are today Kashmir United versus Chukar Cricket Club. First Chukar Cricket Club they win the toss and they decided to bat first. But this is not good decision taken by the captain of Chukar Cricket Club because they lost their early 5 wickets and they have only 56 runs on board. This is 8th over of this first inning. Sahil again on his bowling mark to the batsman Muzammil Mehraj. He need to be cool and calm. Oh, this is very good comeback here. The two batsmen take a single. With the single, the score moves on 57 for the loss of 5. आज निराश किया अपने चाहने वालों को बल्लेबाजों ने. The score is 57 for the loss of 5. Ishfaq Dar, love you Bilal Saab, thank you Ishfaq Dar Saab for your love. Roop Aman Mir, nice. आप सभी का शुक्रिया इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़ने के लिए. आप इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को ज्यादा से ज्यादा शेयर करें और जो घर बैठे देखने वाले हैं वो इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट का आनंद ले, इस मैच का मजा ले. दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट मैच हियर. दिस इज सेमीफाइनल बिटवीन द टू टीम्स. कश्मीर यूनाइटेड वर्सेस चुक्कर क्रिकेट क्लब. मुज़म्मिल महराज, he is on strike. Oh, this is great shot played by the batsman Muzammil Mehraj, but at the end very good fielding. The two batsmen take a single. With the single, the score moves on 58 for the loss of 5. इशफाक डार आपका शुक्रिया. रूप अहमद मीर साहब आपका भी शुक्रिया. आप सभी का शुक्रिया इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़ने के लिए. आप जरूर लिखिए आप कहां से इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को देख रहे हैं. दिस इज अगेन फैजल 45. Oh, this is great delivery. But at the end, the two batsmen take a single. With the single, the score moves on 59 for the loss of 5. आज निराश किया कामरान भट्ट ने, अब्दुल हमीद ने, मीर उबैद ने, खासकर आरिज ने भी आज निराश किया अपने चाहने वालों को. They lost their early wicket share. Now Faisal 45 again to the batsman Muzammil Mehraj. Oh, this is great shot played by the batsman Muzammil Mehraj. This is 4 for Muzammil, 4 for Chukkar Cricket Club. The score moves on 54 for the loss of 5. आज इस बल्लेबाज को खेला होगा इस अपने टीम के लिए क्योंकि मुश्किलात में है इस वक्त चुक्कर क्रिकेट क्लब की टीम. निकालना होगा इन मुश्किलातों से इस बैट्समैन मुज़म्मिल महराज को. इसमें क्षमता है खेलने की. अगेन फैजल टू द बैट्समैन मुज़म्मिल महराज. Oh, this is very good comeback, but at the end very good shot played by the batsman. The two batsmen take a single here. Here the two batsmen need to be cool and calm. यहाँ पे विकेट भी बचानी होगी, रन भी लेने होंगे, संभाल के खेलना होगा, दिमाग से खेलना होगा अगर एक अच्छा सा टारगेट देना होगा इस टीम को क्योंकि बल्लेबाजी में महारत रखते हैं कश्मीरी क्रिकेट यूनाइटेड. मुश्ताक के अस्सलाम वालेकुम. वालेकुम सलाम. आप सभी का शुक्रिया इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़ने के लिए. मुश्ताक के नाइस वीडियो. थैंक यू मुश्ताक के फॉर joining us with this live broadcast. This is again Faisal 45 to the batsman Faisal. Oh, Faisal wants to hit this ball. मारना चाहते थे, यहाँ पे मारने की जरूरत नहीं है. यहाँ विकेट बचाने होंगे अपनी टीम के लिए क्योंकि मुश्किलात में है इस वक्त चुक्कर क्रिकेट क्लब. संभाल के खेलना होगा, दिमाग से खेलना होगा. मुश्किलात में है चुक्कर टीम इस वक्त. 5 विकेट गवाए हैं. 64 on board and this is the 9th over of this first inning and this is also semi-final. Mir Mudassir, शाबाश मुज़म्मिल साहब for your love. This is a love from Mir Mudassir to मुज़म्मिल महराज. आप सभी का शुक्रिया. आप जरूर कमेंट सेक्शन में लिखिए आप तक हमारी आवाज और क्वालिटी कैसी पहुंच पा रही है. This is the 9th over of this first inning. The score on board is 64 for the loss of 5. उमर रहमान भट्ट. उमर थैंक यू. कल का मैच के बारे में कुछ बोलो. थैंक यू. Tomorrow is another big match between the two teams. This is chance here, but a very good shot played by the batsman Faisal. This is 4 for Faisal, 4 for Cricket चुक्कर क्लब. The score moves on 68. कल भी एक बड़ा मुकाबला यहाँ पे खेला जाएगा इंशाल्लाह. जो दूसरा सेमीफाइनल इस टूर्नामेंट अंडर 19 टूर्नामेंट का टंगमरग बिल्लूज वर्सेस पलालन. And the starting time is 9:30 inshallah tomorrow at this venue, Chukkar Tulbagh ground. Ishfaq love, thank you Ishfaq Saab for your love, for your support. Umar Rahman Bhatt Umar, thank you Wanigam, thank you for joining us from Wanigam. This is now this is a drink break here. थोड़ा वक्फा लगेगा क्योंकि पानी का वक्फा चल रहा है इस टाइम. थोड़ा वक्फा. The score is 68 after 9 hours and the last 5. Ishfaq Dar Muzammil को बोलो टाइम ले लो. थैंक यू फॉर योर लव टू मुज़म्मिल महराज. यहाँ पे संभाल के खेला होगा इन दो बल्लेबाजों को क्योंकि मुश्किलात समा है इस वक्त चुक्कर क्रिकेट क्लब की टीम पे इस वक्त. But Danish Muzammil should have come 1 down or 2 down. This is but Danish to Muzammil Mehraj. This is good session for Chukkar Cricket Club. Ishfaq Dar Muzammil को बोलो टाइम ले लो. Really here the two batsmen need to be cool and calm. they need to be take time. They need a partnership here because Chukkar Cricket Club, they are in trouble here. They lost their early 5 wickets and they have only 8 runs on board after 9 overs. But Danish, very bad captaincy. Thank you, but Danish, for your good suggestion to Chukkar Cricket Club. इशफाक डार टाइम, थैंक यू इशफाक डार साहब। आप सभी से गुजारिश है आप अपने कमेंट सेक्शन में जरूर लिखिए आप इस ब्रॉडकास्ट को कहां से देख रहे हैं। इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें ताकि घर बैठे जो देखने वाले हैं वो इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट का मजा ले, इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट का इस अहम मैच का मजा ले। This is the semi-final of this under-19 T20 tournament played at Chukkar Tulba ground. The two teams are Kashmir United versus Chukkar Cricket Club. इशफाक डार, फैसल और मुजम्मिल को बोलो टाइम लो, अभी ओवर बहुत है। Yes, really 11 overs are remaining. आज संभाल के खेलना होगा इन दो बल्लेबाजों को, मुश्किल हालात से निकालना होगा अपने इस टीम को, चुक्कर क्रिकेट क्लब को। But Danish Zubair should come at the end. He is a power hitter. Thank you. But Danish for your good suggestion. आप सभी का शुक्रिया इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़ने के लिए। आप इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को ज्यादा से ज्यादा शेयर करें ताकि और भी जो देखने वाले हैं वो घर बैठे इस मैच का मजा ले, इस मैच का मजा ले। So this is a tips from Ishfaq Loan and Mirwet to the batsman Muzammil Mehraj and Faisal, because they lost their early 5 wickets here, and this is also semi-final. The team who win this match can make his place in the finals of this tournament under-19 T20 Cup. यहाँ पे थोड़ा वक्फा पानी का। इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में आप बने रहे, इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में। अगर हम बॉलिंग की बात करें तो एक अच्छी बॉलिंग का मुजाहरा किया आज कश्मीर यूनाइटेड के बॉलर्स ने। 5 विकेट छटकाए चुक्कर क्रिकेट क्लब के टीम के। एक अच्छी बॉलिंग का मुजाहरा आज कश्मीर यूनाइटेड के बॉलर्स की तरफ से। फील्डिंग भी बहुत अच्छी दिखाई आज इस ग्राउंड पे, चुक्कर तुलबा ग्राउंड पे। दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट मैच, सेमीफाइनल ऑफ under-19 T20 Super Cup at Chukkar Tulba ground. The two teams are Chukkar Cricket Club versus Kashmir United. आज इन दो बल्लेबाजों को अपनी टीम को मुश्किलात से निकालना होगा, संभाल के खेलना होगा, दिमाग से खेलना होगा। क्योंकि अगर हम बात करें मुजम्मिल मेहराज की, उसमें वो क्षमता है खेलने की, बिकॉज he has much more talent in batting. He is a very aggressive, talented and powerful batsman for Chukkar Cricket Club. The two batsmen, Faisal and Muzammil Mehraj, they need to be cool and calm. They need to be sitting here. They need to be give a big partnership because 11 overs are remaining for this evening. 11 overs are remaining in this evening. They need to be give good target for Cricket Kashmir United. Can they give the target of 160, 170 to Kashmir United? It will be seen after 20 hours. This is very great bowling by the bowlers of Kashmir United. मुजम्मिल मेहराज is on strike. आज संभाल के खेलना होगा, दिमाग से, शांति से खेलना होगा अपनी टीम के लिए। मुश्किलात समय में है इस वक्त चुक्कर क्रिकेट क्लब। अपने टीम को मुश्किलात हालात से निकालना होगा। Now Jahangir is on his bowling mark to the batsman. This is a great shot played by the batsman, but at the end, very good fielding. The two batsmen want to take a single, but very good fielding at the end. No runs, score remains on 68 for the loss of 5. This is Jahangir again. This is good shot played by the batsman Muzammil Mehraj. 4 for Muzammil, 4 for Chukkar Cricket Club. The score moves on 72 for the loss of 5. यहाँ पे संभाल के खेलना होगा, यहाँ पे अपने विकेट भी बचाने होंगे, रन भी लेने होंगे, संभाल के दिमाग से खेलना होगा, शांति से खेलना होगा। And this is 4 for Muzammil Mehraj. Now he moves on 19. The score is 72 for the loss of 5. Manzoor Ahmad Dar, what is present total of Chukkar Riders? This is 72 on board and they lost 5 wickets Haris, he lost his first wicket. And Abdul Hamid, Kamran Butt, Zubair, Mir Ubaid are the batsmen. They lost their wickets. But Danish, Manzoor Dar, thanks for joining us with this live broadcast. This is again very good delivery. This is very good comeback by Jahangir. The score remains on 72 for the loss of 5. And this is the 10th over of this first inning of this semi-final. Jahangir to the batsman Muzammil Mehraj. आप सभी का शुक्रिया इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़ने के लिए। इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को ज्यादा से ज्यादा शेयर करें। जहांगीर मुजम्मिल plays here a shot at the end. This is a go. This is a misfield here. The two batsmen take 2 runs. This is great running between the two batsmen Muzammil and Faisal. Complete 2 runs. The score moves on 74 for the loss of 5. Jahangir again to the batsman Muzammil, and this is great delivery by Jahangir. No runs. Score remains on 74 for the loss of 5. And this is 10th over of this first inning. Jahangir to the batsman Muzammil. Oh, this is great delivery, but at the end to batsman take single. Oh, here was the chance of a wicket. यहाँ पे संभाल के रन लेना होगा इन दो बल्लेबाजों को, क्योंकि पहले से ही 5 विकेट गंवाए हैं. The two batsmen complete a single. With the single, the score moves on 75 for the loss of 5. After 10 overs, the score is 75 for the loss of 5. Sahil, the big cricketer of this team, he's on screen. Thanks again to join us with this live broadcast. Keep share this live broadcast on your with your friends. This is Fazur. Now he's on bowling mark. अगर हम फाजूर की बात करें, एक अच्छी बल्लेबाजी का मुजाहरा किया क्वार्टर फाइनल में. 19 runs knock played here at this ground. Now he's on his bowling mark to the batsman Muzammil. Oh, this is great delivery. Very good delivery for Azur. This is appeal here, but cannot impress the umpire Dar Yusuf. No run score remains 75 for the loss of 5. This is again for Azur to the batsman Muzammil Mehraj. Oh, this is great shot. This is great shot played by the batsman. This is 6 for Muzammil Mehraj. This is 6 for Shukar Cricket Club. यहाँ पे संभाल के खेलना होगा इस बैट्समैन को, क्योंकि जरूरत है इस बल्लेबाज की अपनी टीम को. इस मुश्किलात से निकालना होगा इस बल्लेबाज को. मुश्किलात में है इस वक्त शुक्र क्रिकेट क्लब. But this is great shot played at that by Muzammil Mehraj. 6 for Muzammil, 6 for Shukar Cricket Club. The score is 81 on board, and they lost 5 wickets. So this is a first 6 for Shukar Cricket Club by Muzammil Mehraj. He moves on 28 in 16 deliveries. The score is 81 for the loss of 5. आप इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें, ताकि घर बैठे जो देखने वाले हैं वो इस मैच का मजा लें, इस मैच का आनंद लें. Fahad Zoor, he's on his bowling mark again. Fahad Zoor, he's on his bowling mark to the batsman Muzammil. This is a great delivery. Good comeback by Fahad Zoor. Beat the batsman Muzammil Mehraj. No run score remains on 81 for the loss of 5. This is again Fahad Zoor to the batsman Muzammil Mehraj. Oh, यहाँ पे मारना चाहते थे लेकिन बीट हुए यहाँ पे. But this is wide given by the umpire. This is very great wicket keeping by the wicket keeper of Kashmir United. Very good This is again Fahad Zoor to the batsman Muzammil Mehraj. Oh, this is great delivery and missed by wicket keeper. Missed by third keeper. This is 4 for Chukkar Cricket Club. Oh, score कुछ लेना score. Those wide से खाने wide. Those wide से खाने wide खा. Wide खा wide. Embro गया ना wide. Wide से खाने wide से खाने. And this is again Fahad Zoor to the batsman Muzammil Mehraj. The score is 86 for the loss of 5. Oh, this is very good delivery by Fahad Zoor. Beat the batsman Muzammil Mehraj. This is very good delivery. No run score remains on 86 after 11 hours for the loss of 5. यहाँ पे इन दो बल्लेबाजों को संभाल के खेलना होगा क्योंकि 9 ओवर से भी बाकी है इस 86 ऑन बोर्ड फॉर द लॉस ऑफ 5 11 ओवर्स. तो जहांगीर इज ऑन बॉलिंग टू द बैट्समैन. यहाँ पे फैसल मारना चाहते थे, इसकी जरूरत ही नहीं है इन बल्लेबाजों को क्योंकि 9 ओवर से भी बाकी है, 5 विकेट भी बाकी है. खेलना होगा, संभालना होगा अपनी विकेट को. Wants to hit this ball, but a very good delivery by Jahangir. Beat the batsman Faisal. This is great delivery. No run score in 86. This again Jahangir to the batsman, and again Faisal wants to hit this ball, but this is great delivery by Jahangir. Beat the batsman. No run score remains on 86 for the loss of 5. Jahangir to the batsman Faisal. Oh, this is good touch by Faisal. This is 6 for Faisal. First 6 for Faisal. 6 for Chukkar Cricket Club. The score moves on 92 for the loss of 5. यहाँ पे अगर बात करेंगे इस पार्टनरशिप की, एक अच्छा सा टारगेट देना होगा इस टीम को. Now Jahangir is on his bowling mark again to the batsman Faisal. He's on 13. Oh, this is good delivery, good comeback by the bowler Jahangir. But at the end, the two batsmen take here was a misfielding. The two batsmen took 2 runs here. Very good running between the wickets, between the two bats, Faisal and Muzammil. They need a partnership here. They need to be sitting here. They need to be cool and calm. 94 on board. Ah, this is great shot played by the batsman Faisal. Oh, dandanata hua chakka. 6 for Faisal. 6 for Chukkar Cricket Club. This is great hit by the batsman Faisal. The partnership is on 52. This is a 50 partnership between the two batsmen Muzammil and Faisal. यहाँ पे इस पार्टनरशिप की दरकार थी, जरूरत थी इस पार्टनरशिप को. अपने टीम को मुश्किलात हालातों से निकालना था, लेकिन जितनी तारीफ की जाए उतनी कम है इन दो बल्लेबाजों की. Because this is good partnership here between the two batsmen Faisal and Muzammil Mehraj. एक अच्छा सा टारगेट देना होगा इस टीम को. The score is 100 up for Kashmir Chukkar Cricket Club. 100 for the loss of 5. And this is the 12th over, last delivery of this. Oh, this is a chance here. This is a chance here. And this is end of Faisal. यहाँ पे संभाल के खेलना होगा, लेकिन गवाई अपने विकेट. सस्त में अपने विकेट गवाई फैसल ने. He wants to hit this ball for 6, but at the end, this is great catch taken at the end. This is end of Faisal. He made 21 runs in 10 deliveries. Now the score is 100 and they lost 6 wickets. This is great bowling by Jahangir. He takes his first wicket. At the end, very good catch taken by the fielder of Kashmir United. वाहिद बशीर कमान मुजम्मिल, थैंक यू वाहिद बशीर साहब. मुजम्मिल को आज संभाल के खेलना होगा. He is on now Chukkar Cricket Club. They lost their 6th wicket in the shape of Faisal. Muzammil Mehraj, he is on 32 in 20 deliveries. Zahid Ayub just Faisal say thank you Zahid Ayub sahab for you allowed to Faisal, but Faisal Ahmad Najjar, he lost his wicket and this is end of Faisal evening. Now the new batsman is Zahid Mir, he is on strike and Muzammil Mehraj is on strike. अब एक अच्छा सा टारगेट देना होगा इस टीम को, बिकॉज जिस पिच की अगर हम बात करें इस ग्राउंड की पिच की, तो एक पेचिंग पिच है ये. Now Shahid Wani, he take early 2 wickets for his team. Now again on his bowling mark to the batsman Muzammil Mehraj. Muzammil Mehraj को इस गेंदबाज को संभाल के खेलना होगा, क्योंकि एक अच्छी बल्ले गेंदबाजी की आज शाहिद वानी ने. 2 विकेट चटकाए. Again Shahid to the batsman Muzammil Mehraj. Oh, this is great delivery by Shahid Wani. Great delivery, quality delivery here by Shahid Wani. Beat the batsman Muzammil Mehraj. No runs score, remains on 100 for the loss of 6. आप सभी का शुक्रिया इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़ने के लिए. आप इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को ज्यादा से ज्यादा शेयर करें ताकि घर बैठे जो देखने वाले हैं वो इस मैच का मजा ले, इस मैच का आनंद. दिस अगेन शाहिद टू द बैट्समैन मुजम्मिल मेहराज. दिस इज स्लो डिलीवरी एट द एंड द फील्डर मिस्ड दिस शॉट. दिस इज 4 फॉर मुजम्मिल मेहराज, 4 फॉर चुक्कर क्रिकेट क्लब. द स्कोर इज 104 फॉर द लॉस ऑफ 6. So this is Jimmy Jerry. Shahid Wali again to the batsman Muzammil. Oh, this is a white given by the umpire. White delivery. The score moves on 105 for the loss of 6. Jimmy Jerry, thanks for joining us with this live broadcast. This is a semi-final under 19 T20 Super Cup between Chukkar Cricket Club versus Kashmir United. Shahid Wali again on his bowling mark to the batsman Muzammil Mehraj. Oh, this is great shot played by the batsman Muzammil Mehraj. This is 4 for Muzammil, 4 for Chukkar Cricket Club. The score moves on 109. Muzammil Mehraj, he need to be cool and calm here. He need to be sitting here because this batsman will give good target for Kashmir United. And they lost early 6 wickets here. Now the score is 109 for the loss of 6. आप सभी का शुक्रिया इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़ने के लिए. दिस इज शाहिद वानी अगेन टू द बैट्समैन मुजम्मिल. Oh, very good comeback by the bowler Shahid Wani. Good delivery. This is quality delivery by Shahid Wani. Beat the batsman Muzammil Mehraj. No run score remains on 109 for the loss of 6. This is very great comeback by the bowler Shahid Wani. Shahid Wani take here early 2 wickets. Very good bowling by the bowler Shahid Wani. This is again on his bowling mark to the batsman Muzammil Mehraj. He is on 40. Oh, this is great shot and very good fielding by the fielder. Very good fielding. No run. Sorry, this is a single for the 2 batsmen. जहाँ पे 4 होना था वहाँ पे सिर्फ 1 रन दिया. 3 रन बचाए अपनी टीम के लिए. एक अच्छी फील्डिंग का मुजाहरा किया वहाँ फील्डर ने. The score is 110 for the loss of 6. आप सभी का शुक्रिया इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़ने के लिए. इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को ज्यादा से ज्यादा शेयर करें ताकि जो घर बैठे देखने वाले हैं वो इस मैच का मजा ले, इस मैच का आनंद ले. और कमेंट सेक्शन में जरूर लिखिए आप कहां से इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को इस वक्त देख रहे हैं और हमारी आवाज और क्वालिटी आप तक कैसी पहुंच पा रही है. दिस इज अगेन शाहिद वानी टू द बैट्समैन, द न्यू बैट्समैन Zahid. He is on strike. Oh, this is a great delivery and very good fielding by the fielder. No run score, remains on 110 for the loss of 6. Sorry for this. This is 12 hours completed. The score on 13 hours. Sorry, the score is 110 for the loss of 6. शाहिद वानी की अगर आप बात करें तो एक अच्छी बॉलिंग का मुजाहरा किया, 3 ओवर्स में 33 रन दिए, 2 विकेट चटकाए अपनी टीम के लिए. वेरी गुड बॉलिंग बाय शाहिद वानी. He take 2 wickets and give only 23 runs into 3 overs. Now Sahil, the new bowler, on his bowling mark to the batsman Muzammil Mehraj. He is on 41. Can this batsman stay here? Can these two batsmen give good target to Kashmir United? This is Sahil to the batsman Muzammil Mehraj. Oh, this is and here is a misfielding, but they take 1 wicket. 1 run is sorry. The score is 111 for the loss of 6. Zahid to the. This is a good delivery by Sahil, but cannot stop the two batsmen take a single. With the single, the score moves on 112 for the loss of 6. Muzammil Mehraj again on strike. He's on 42. Sahil on his bowling mark to the batsman Muzammil. Oh, here is a chance. Here is a chance of a wicket. Can they take this catch? Oh, they lost this catch. They lost this big wicket. Oh, but at the end, very good running between the two batsmen, between the wicket. This was the chance of a wicket. Big wicket, Muzammil Mehraj. But at the end, they lost this chance of wicket. They lost this big chance here. Here was the chance of a wicket. But at the end, very good try by the fielder. This is luck for the batsman Muzammil Mehraj, because the fielder missed this catch here. This is not catch, this is match here. This is semi-final. This is again Sahil to the batsman Muzammil Mehraj. Oh, very good delivery. Beat the batsman Muzammil Mehraj. No run score remains on 115 for the loss of 6. यहाँ पे अभी 6 ओवर बाकी है इस इनिंग्स के. This is wide and missed by wicket keeper and third keeper. Wide and by 4. The score moves on 120 for the loss of 6. This is Sahil again on his bowling mark to the batsman Muzammil. He is on strike. This is a good delivery by Sahil, but cannot stop the two batsmen take a single. With the single, the score moves on 121 for the loss of 6. After 14 hours, the score is 121 for the loss of 6. Muzammil Mehraj is on 43 and Zahid Mir, he is on 4 on strike end. Sadawar. The score is 121 for the loss of 6 after 14 hours. 6 overs are remaining in this first inning of this first match between the two teams, and this is also semi-final played today between the two teams. Kashmir United versus Chukkar Cricket Club. First, Chukkar Cricket Club, they win the toss and they decided to bat first. After 14 hours, 121 for the loss of 6. Zahid to the batsman Muzammil. Oh, this is a very good shot played by the batsman Muzammil Mehraj. 6 for Muzammil, 6 for Chukkar Cricket Club. This is great hit by the batsman Muzammil Mehraj, and this is also this is 49 for Muzammil Mehraj. He need 1 run for his 50. This is great batting by Muzammil Mehraj. इस बैट्समैन की जरूरत थी आज अपनी टीम के लिए, क्योंकि मुश्किलात में थी चुक्कर क्रिकेट क्लब. 5 विकेट गंवाए थे जल्दी. आज एक अच्छी बल्लेबाजी का मुजाहरा किया इस बल्लेबाज ने, और फैसल ने भी इसका साथ दिया. एक अच्छी सी पार्टनरशिप दी, 52 रन की पार्टनरशिप दी अपनी टीम को. Now the score is 127 for the loss of 6, and 35 balls are remaining in this first inning. Can they give the target of 180-170 to Kashmir United? If they were to success in this 171-80, this will be good total on this pitch because they have very good bowling at the end. Chukar Cricket Club, but आज जितनी तारीफ की जाए इस बॉलिंग कश्मीर क्रिकेट क्लब की, एक कश्मीर यूनाइटेड की एक अच्छी बॉलिंग का मुजाहरा किया आज, विकेट चटकाए जल्दी से, लेकिन आज तारीफ करनी होगी इस बल्लेबाज की, मुजम्मिल महराज की. He is on 49. Can he complete his 50? He is on 49. Zahid Rakhtar on bowling mark. Oh, this is chance here and missed the wicket keeper, and it is 50 for Muzammil Mehraj. So this is very great batting by Muzammil Mehraj. This is 50 for Muzammil Mehraj. यहाँ पे जरूरत थी इस टीम को, चुक्कर क्रिकेट क्लब को, क्योंकि मुश्किलात में थी, संभाल के खेलना था, लेकिन इस बल्लेबाज की दाद देनी होगी. एक अच्छी पार्टनरशिप थी फैसल के साथ. अभी खेल रहे हैं मुजम्मिल महराज. ही इज ऑन 50. Oh, this is a gift from the batsman Kaisar Dar. He is also brother of this batsman Muzammil Mehraj. This is very well knocked play today because they need this batsman here. They need this partnership because they was in trouble here. Chukar Cricket Club, they lost their early 6 wickets and they have only 120. Very good touch, very good shot at the end by the batsman. This is 6 for the batsman, 6 for Chukar Cricket Club. The score moves on 134 for the loss of 6. यहाँ पे ऐसे ही बल्लेबाजी करनी होगी इन दो बल्लेबाजों को, क्योंकि एक अच्छा टारगेट देना होगा, एक अच्छा हज़फ देना होगा इन टीम को. अगर हम बल्लेबाजी की बात करें कश्मीर यूनाइटेड की, वो महारत रखते हैं इस टैलेंट को अपने बल्लेबाजी में. एक this batsman Muzammil Mehraj, he is a very young, talented and aggressive player for this team चुक्कर क्रिकेट क्लब. आज शाबाशी देनी होगी इस बल्लेबाज की, क्योंकि एक अच्छी बल्लेबाजी का मुजाहरा किया यहाँ पे इस ग्राउंड पे. जरूरत है इस बल्लेबाज की, जरूरत है इस एक अहम इनिंग की, क्योंकि मुश्किलात समय में थे इस वक्त टीम चुक्कर क्रिकेट क्लब. बिकॉज दिस मैन दिस प्लेयर Muzammil Mehraj, he gave a platform to stay in this match, stay in this tournament for his team. Mir Mudassir Zahid, thank you Mir Mudassir Saab for joining us with this live broadcast. This is again Zahid Rakhtar to the batsman Zahid. Oh, this is very good hit by the batsman Zahid. This is 6 for Zahid, 6 for Chukar Cricket Club. 2 balls, 2 sixes, very good hit by the batsman. दंदनाता हुआ छक्का. अब बॉल को ढूंढना होगा, बॉल गुम हो गई यहाँ पे. एक अच्छा सा शॉट लगा जाहिद की तरफ से, 6 रन दर्ज किए अपने नाम, अपनी टीम के नाम. द स्कोर मूव्स ऑन 140 फॉर द लॉस ऑफ 6. आप सभी का शुक्रिया इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़ने के लिए. इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को ज्यादा से ज्यादा शेयर करें ताकि जो घर बैठे देखने वाले हैं वो इस मैच का मजा ले, इस मैच का आनंद ले. This is semi-final here at Chukar Tulba ground, under-19 T20 Super Cup. The two teams are Kashmir United versus Chukar Cricket Club. First Chukar Cricket Club, they win the toss and they decided to bat first. After 14.4 hours, the score is 140 for the loss of 6. This is very well knock played by the batsman Muzammil Mehraj. Now Zahid, he is on 16. This is Zahid, he is on strike. Oh, this is very good comeback by the bowler Zahid Rakhtar. Beat the batsman Zahid. Yunus Maqbool, well done Zahid. Thank you Yunus Maqbool for your love to Zahid. This is also thanks from me to join us with this live broadcast. Keep share this live broadcast with your friends, and you can also support me on my YouTube channel Muhammad Anas bin Bilal. This is again Zahid Rakhtar to the batsman Zahid. He is on 16 with the help of 2 U6. Five overs are remaining in this first inning of this first match. is Zahid to the batsman, and this is good delivery by Zahid. The two batsmen take a single here. With the single, the score moves on. 141 for the last of 6. This is end of 15 hours. Panless Babu by Muzammil kahan se hai? Thank you, Panless Babu. Muzammil Mehraj is from Chukar. This is very well knock today played by Muzammil Mehraj. Also well knock played in quarter final. आप सभी का शुक्रिया. गुल मोहम्मद खांडे, आबिद पागल, थैंक यू आबिद, थैंक यू गुल पांडे साहब फॉर योर लव टू कश्मीर यूनाइटेड. दिस इज Gul Mohammad Khande to Kashmir United. Panless Babu sir match kahan hai? This match is here at Chukar Tulbagh ground, and this is under 19 T20 Super Cup, the semi-final of that tournament. This is first semi-final between the two teams, Kashmir United versus Chukar Cricket Club. 141 on board, and they lost 6 wickets. The batsman Muzammil Mehraj is the only batsman for Chukar Cricket Club. He makes 50. He is on strike now. 29 deliveries pace. Zahid Mir also plays very well. 17 runs in 9 deliveries with a help of 2 6 and 1 4. Tanveer Rashid, well played Muzu, thank you. Tanveer Rashid so far you allow to Muzammil Mehraj. Panless Babu, good video quality, thank you. Panless Babu, आपका शुक्रिया, आप सभी का शुक्रिया इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट के मैच जुड़ने के लिए. दिस इज ड्रिंक ब्रेक हियर. थोड़ा वक्फा लगेगा क्योंकि आज बहुत ही गर्मी है. पानी का वक्फा थोड़ी देर के लिए. Hamid HB, inshallah, Chukar win, thank you. Hamid Saab, for your love, for your support to Chukar Cricket Club. Here, that batsman Muzammil Mehraj, he plays very well knock. He is on 50 in 29 deliveries. आप सभी का शुक्रिया इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़ने के लिए. आप सभी से निवेदन है कि इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को ज्यादा से ज्यादा शेयर करें ताकि जो घर बैठे देखने वाले हैं वो इस मैच का मजा ले, इस मैच का आनंद ले. सेमीफाइनल खेला जा रहा है इस ग्राउंड पे अंडर 19 T20 कप. पहला सेमीफाइनल इस टूर्नामेंट का, अंडर 19 टूर्नामेंट का. आसिफ लोन, अस्सलाम वालेकुम बिलाल साहब, थैंक यू आसिफ लोन साहब फॉर ज्वाइन अस विद दिस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट. वालेकुम सलाम व रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातहू. आप सभी का शुक्रिया इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़ने के लिए. आप इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को ज्यादा से ज्यादा शेयर करें. 5 overs are remaining in this inning. Can they give the target of 180, 190 to Kashmir United? It will be possible if this batsman Zahid and Muzammil. Oh, this is good shot played by the batsman, and this is 4 for Zahid, 4 for Kashmir Cricket Club. The score moves on 145 for the loss of 6. This is great hit by the batsman Zahid. यहाँ पे इसी तरह से खेलना होगा इस बैट्समैन जाहिद को क्योंकि एक अच्छा टारगेट देना होगा. बिकॉज दिस इज अ बिग मैच, सेमीफाइनल. दिस इज अ वेरी गुड कमबैक बट इट इज वाइड गिवन बाय द अंपायर. द स्कोर moves on 146 for the loss of 6. यहाँ पे अभी 5 ओवर खेलने बाकी है इस इनिंग्स के. दिस इज साहिल अगेन. ओह, इस बल्लेबाज की तारीफ करनी होगी, बाल को ढूंढना होगा. छक्का लगा इस बल्लेबाज ने, जाहिद मीर ने. दिस इज द थर्ड 6 ऑफ दिस बैट्समैन जाहिद. 6 for Zahid, 6 for Chukar Cricket Club. The score moves on 152 for the loss of 6. This is very good batting by the batsman Zahid Mir. 27 in 11 deliveries. Again Sahil to the batsman Zahid Mir. He's on fire. Oh, this is wide given by the umpire. And the two batsmen take single here. This is very good running between the wickets, between the two batsmen Zahid and Muzammil. Panless Babu, inshallah, Chukar win. Thank you, Panless Babu, for your love to Chukar Cricket Club. This again Sahil to the batsman. And the batsman wants to hit this ball, but this is great delivery, great comeback by the bowler Sahil. No runs score remains on. Oh, dandanata hua chakka. This is great shot by the batsman Muzammil Mehraj. He's on fire. 6 for Muzammil Mehraj, 6 for Chukar Cricket Club. The score going on 160 runs for the loss of 6. This is a very great batting by the batsman Muzammil Mehraj. आज अपने टीम को दरकार थी इस बैट्समैन की, इस बल्लेबाज की. अगेन साहिल. यहाँ पे छक्कों की बारिश हो रही है. Muzammil Mehraj, he's on fire. This is 6 for Muzammil. 2 6 on 2 deliveries. आज आग उगलता हुआ Muzammil Mehraj का बल्ला. छह रनों का यहाँ पे दिया अपने टीम को। द स्कोर मूव्स ऑन 166 फॉर द लॉस ऑफ 6। यहाँ पे बॉलिंग की बात करें, संभाल के अच्छी बॉलिंग की थी पहले 10 ओवर्स में कश्मीर यूनाइटेड, लेकिन दाद देनी होगी इस बल्लेबाज की, मुज़म्मिल महराज की। छक्कों की बारिश हुई यहाँ पे। Palace Babu Muzammil is on fire. Thank you Muzammil. Palace Babu for your love to Muzammil Mehraj. Really he is on fire. He is on 62 in 32 deliveries. And this is the last delivery of this over, Sahil. This is a great hit by the batsman Muzammil Mehraj. Irfan Saddam, great batting by Muzammil Mehraj. Thank you Irfan Saddam for your love to Muzammil. This is great shot here again, but at the end very good fielding by the fielder, but cannot take a single here. This is great fielding by the fielder. At the end, the score remains on 166 for the loss of 6. Now 4 overs are remaining for this inning. This is a T20 semi-final played at Chukatul background. आपका शुक्रिया इरफान सद्दाम इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़ने के लिए। The big man इरफान सद्दाम, support to Muzammil Mehraj, love to Muzammil Mehraj, इरफान सद्दाम 100 loaded. Thank you Irfan Saddam for your love, for your support to Muzammil Mehraj. Really he need to be make his 100 here because this is great batting here by Muzammil Mehraj. आज जरूरत थी इस बल्लेबाज की अपने टीम को, कश्मीर चुकर क्रिकेट क्लब को। 16 overs 166 on board and the last 6 overs. आज तारीफ करनी होगी फैसल की भी, एक साथ दिया मुज़म्मिल महराज का, एक अच्छी पार्टनरशिप दी। 52 runs partnership given by Faisal and Muzammil. Now Muzammil he is on 62 and also well luck played by Zahid. He is on 27 in 11 deliveries. 4 overs are remaining. This is a very great hit batting by, very great knock by Zahid, the big hitter of this team. 27 in 11 deliveries. Need to play till 20 over. This is a good suggestion from Irfan Saddam. The big man gives a good suggestion to Chukar Cricket Club. They need to be sitting here. They need to be cool and calm because 4 overs are remaining in this inning. This is again Zahid. Rasta to the batsman Zahid. Oh, this is a good shot played by the batsman for 4 for Zahid, 4 for Chukar Cricket Club. The score moves on 170 for the loss of 6. यहाँ पे थोड़ी बिखेरते हुए कश्मीर यूनाइटेड के प्लेयर, क्योंकि एक अगर हम 10 ओवर की बात करें, 10 ओवर्स में 5 ओवर गवाए थे चुकर ने, लेकिन तारीफ करनी होगी यहाँ पे मुज़म्मिल महराज की। एक अच्छा साथ दिया, एक अच्छी पार्टनरशिप टीम फैसल के साथ, मुश्किलात हालात से निकाला अपनी टीम को। This is again, oh, this is again big hit by Zahid. 6 for Zahid, 6 for Chukar Cricket Club. This is good shot played by the batsman Zahid. He is on fire. He moves on 38. यहाँ पे छक्कों की बारिश आज इस बल्लेबाज के बल्ले से, जाहिद के दौरान आग उगलता हुआ इसका बल्ला। The score is 176 for the loss of 6. यहाँ पे अगर हम बात करेंगे, इससे पहले यहाँ पे कोई नहीं कह सकता था कि इतना स्कोर हो जाएगा। This is again, no, this is 6. Very good shot played by Zahid. He is on strike. He is on fire. Again 6 on 2 balls. 2-6 on 2 balls. यहाँ पे दरकार थी इस बल्लेबाज की एक अच्छा नॉक यहाँ पे। 43 runs in 14 deliveries. क्या इस बल्लेबाज की हम कितनी तारीफ करें उतनी कम है, क्योंकि एक अच्छी नॉक खेली यहाँ पे। जरूरत थी इस टीम को एक अच्छा सा टोटल देना होगा इस कश्मीर यूनाइटेड की टीम को। अगर हम बॉलिंग की बात करें, शाहिद भाई ने एक अच्छी बॉलिंग का मुजाहरा किया था। पहले 2 विकेट चटकाए थे, 5 विकेट पहले से ही लिए थे, लेकिन आफ्टर 10 ओवर्स अगर हम बात करेंगे बल्लेबाज की, खासकर मुज़म्मिल महराज, फैसल और जाहिद की, दे चेंज दिस मैच हियर। The score is 182. इससे पहले कोई नहीं कह सकता था कि इतना टारगेट दे पाती, लेकिन तारीफ करनी होगी इन बल्लेबाजों की, जाहिद की, मुज़म्मिल महराज की, फैसल की। This batsman can he complete his 50? He is on 43 in 14 deliveries. This is very well knocked played by the batsman Zahid. उमर मुश्ताक, मैंने पहले ही बोला था जाहिद को भेजो. Thank you उमर मुश्ताक. This is again, oh, this is great shot played by the batsman at the handle. This is four for no. Very good shot played by the batsman Zahid. This is 4 for Zahid. 4 for Chukkar Cricket Club. The score moves on 186. Zahid, he's on 47 in 15 deliveries. This is great knock here by the batsman Zahid. Panless Babu, target 230. Thank you, Panless Babu, for your love. Mira Mushtaq, also Umar Mushtaq. Thank you for your support to Chukkar Cricket Club. This is a very good cricket played by here. Muzammil Mehraj, Faisal and Zahid. The three batsmen changed this game here. इससे पहले अगर हम बात करेंगे, कोई नहीं कह सकता था कि इतना टारगेट होता, लेकिन दाद देनी होगी इस बल्लेबाज जाहिद की, इस बल्लेबाज मुजम्मिल महराज की और फैसल की, क्योंकि एक अच्छी पार्टनरशिप थी जहां जिस वक्त जरूरत थी इस टीम को. आप सभी का शुक्रिया इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़ने के लिए. इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को ज्यादा से ज्यादा शेयर करें ताकि जो घर बैठे देखने वाले हो इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट का मजा ले, आनंद ले इस मैच का. This is A. Amir. Thank you, Amir Saab, for joining us with this live broadcast. Dar Muzammil, the Basit Zahid. Thank you, Dar Muzammil Saab, for your love to Zahid. इससे पहले हम बात करेंगे, यहाँ पे एक मौका था कश्मीर यूनाइटेड. They lost that catch of Muzammil Mehraj. They lost the wicket. They lost the match here because Muzammil Mehraj is the batsman. उसके बारे में अगर हम बात करेंगे तो एक कला, टैलेंट रखते हैं, पावर रखते हैं, क्षमता रखते हैं खेलने की. This is a very important match, semi-final between the two teams at Chukkar Tulba ground. Thank you, Panless Babu. Thank you, Rashid Dar, for joining us with this live broadcast. And also thank you, Amir Saab, for joining us with this live broadcast. Last hope. Faisal ने कितना किया? उसने 23 runs, but वेरी गुड पार्टनरशिप बाय फैसल एंड मुजम्मिल महराज. उस वक्त जरूरत थी उस पार्टनरशिप की क्योंकि 5 विकेट पहले से ही गवाए थे चुक्कर क्रिकेट क्लब ने. जरूरत थी उस पार्टनरशिप की, दाद देनी होगी फैसल और मुजम्मिल महराज की. नाउ द बैट्समैन जाहिद, ही इज ऑन स्ट्राइक, ही इज ऑन फायर, ही इज ऑन 47 इन 15 डिलीवरीज. आबिद Sebi, thank you Abid Sebi Saab, for your love, for nice commentary. Thank you for your love, for your support. Keep share this live stream also with your friends. This is Abid Shafi. Join us with this live broadcast. Abid Shafi also join us with this live broadcast. आप सभी का शुक्रिया इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़ने के लिए. आपसे निवेदन है इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को ज्यादा से ज्यादा शेयर करें ताकि जो घर बैठे देखने वाले हैं वो इस मैच का मजा ले, इस मैच का आनंद ले. And you can also support me on my YouTube channel, Muhammad Anas bin Bilal. This is 16.4 hours. The score on board is 186 for the loss of 6. आबिद शफी साहब, आपका शुक्रिया इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़ने के लिए. आप सभी का शुक्रिया, आपके प्यार के लिए शुक्रिया. एंड आल्सो यू कैन सपोर्ट मी ऑन माय यूट्यूब चैनल, मोहम्मद अनस बिन बिलाल. एक बिग हिट लगी, 6 रन, बॉल ही गुम हो गई, थोड़ा वक्त लगेगा इसमें. आपसे निवेदन है इस लाइव स्ट्रीम में बने रहे आप. आप इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें ताकि और भी जुड़ने वाले जो दोस्त हैं वो घर बैठे इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट का मजा ले, इस मैच का आनंद ले। दिस इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट मैच, सेमीफाइनल एट चुकर तुलबा ग्राउंड अंडर 19 T20 सुपर कप। यहाँ पे थोड़ा वक्फा लगेगा क्योंकि बॉल जो है वो 6 रन के लिए गई थी लेकिन गुम हो गई वहाँ पे। इस वक्त थोड़ा वक्फा लगेगा, खेल थोड़ी देर के लिए रुका हुआ है। दिस इज मीर मुदस्सिर जॉइन अस विद दिस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट। हाय सुबह बॉल। अगर हम बात करेंगे इस दिस इज फर्स्ट सेमीफाइनल ऑफ दिस अंडर 19 T20 सुपर कप। टुमारो विल बी inshallah next semi-final of this under 19 T20 cup between Tangmarag Billows versus Palhalan. This will be that match will be on 10 AM inshallah on this ground, Chukar Tulba ground. This is the big fan of the batsman Muzammil Mehraj on screen. Cute baby. Hamsun ya, close on here. Jangan biar dah. यहाँ पे थोड़ा वक्फा लगेगा क्योंकि बॉल जो है वो गुम हो गई है। 6 रन के लिए इस प्लेयर Zahid ने मारा था बिग हिट by the batsman Zahid. He is on 47 in 15 deliveries. This is very well knocked play by the batsman Zahid. The score is 186 for the loss of 6. आप इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें ताकि जो घर बैठे देखने वाले हैं वो इस मैच का मजा ले, इस मैच का आनंद ले। This is semi-final between the two teams. Chukkar Cricket Club versus Kashmir United. First, Chukkar Cricket Club, they win the toss and they decided to bat first. After 16.4 hours, the score is 186 for the loss of 4. This is very well knock played by the batsman Muzammil Mehraj. He's on 62, and also Zahid, he's on 47 in 15 deliveries. Faisal plays also very well knock. आप इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें. Furkan हो Furkan Davos Utayal Hacı'yla. This is Umar Dar join us with this live broadcast. Thanks for joining us with this live broadcast, and also share this live broadcast with your friends, and you can also support me on my YouTube channel Muhammad Anas bin Bilal. This is 16.4 hours. The score is 186 for the loss of 6. This is 2020 match here at Chukkar Tulba ground. The two teams are Kashmir United versus Chukkar Cricket Club. First, Chukkar Cricket Club, they win the toss and they decided to bat first. This is a very well knock played by the batsman Muzammil Mehraj, because the team Chukkar Cricket Club, they was in trouble here, but at the end very well knock played by Faisal and Muzammil Mehraj. 52 runs partnership given to his team. They need that time. Now Muzammil Mehraj, he is on 62, and Faisal Zahid also plays very well, like 47 in 15 deliveries. साहिल मैच को क्या हुआ? साहिल साहब मैच को कुछ नहीं हुआ, बॉल जो है वो गुम हो गई क्योंकि एक बड़ा सा छक्का लगा यहाँ पे जाहिद ने. आपका शुक्रिया इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़ने के लिए. आप सभी का उमर डार, नाइस टू मीट. थैंक यू उमर डार साहब फॉर जॉइनिंग अस विद दिस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट. दिस इज T20 Super Cup Under-19. Today semi-final between the two teams. अगर हम बात करेंगे चुक्कर क्रिकेट क्लब की, अब्दुल हमीद, he lost his wicket at on 8 runs. Aris, he make only 7 runs. Mir Ubaid, he also make 9 runs. Kamran Butt only 10 runs. Zubair only 6 runs. Faisal Ahmed Najjar, very well knock, very well partnership with Muzammil Mehraj. He make 21 runs. Muzammil Mehraj, he's on non-strike 62. Zahid Mir, very well knock of 47 in 16 deliveries with the help of 3 4s and 5 huge 6s. This is a very well knock played by the batsman Zahid Mir. Zahid Mir, this is again the match is start. Zahid Rathar, he is on his bowling mark to the batsman Zahid Mir. He is on 47. Oh, this is great delivery, very good delivery by the bowler. Beat the batsman. The two batsmen take a single. With the single, the score moves on 187 for the loss of 6. Sahil Laipuraka, thank you. Sahil Saab for joining us there. Yes, Zahid very well knock, 47. Now Muzammil Mehraj is on strike on 62 runs. Zahid Rathar on his bowling mark to the batsman Muzammil. Muzammil Mehraj मारना चाहते थे लेकिन पीठ हुई है यहाँ पे. No run score remains on 187 for the loss of 6 after 17 overs. Shahid Wani take 2 wickets, early 2 wickets, and give 23 runs. Sam Muzammil, अस्सलाम वालेकुम. थैंक यू सैम मुजम्मिल साहब. वालेकुम सलाम व रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातहू. आप सभी का शुक्रिया इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़ने के लिए. इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें ताकि जो घर बैठे देखने वाले हैं वो इस मैच का मजा ले, इस मैच का आनंद ले। नाउ जाहिद मीर, ही इज ऑन 47। This is a very well knock played here by Muzammil Mehraj and also Zahid Mir. Muzammil Mehraj, he is on non-strike and on 62 runs. Now the batsman Zahid Mir on strike. He needs 3 runs to complete his 50. Can he? Shahid Wani on his bowling mark on his 4th over to the batsman Zahid Mir. Kashmiri bhai, assalamu alaikum. Thank you Kashmiri sir for joining us with this live broadcast. Keep share this live stream with your friends, and you can also support me on my YouTube channel Muhammad Anas bin Bilal. This is Shahid Wani on his bowling mark to the batsman Zahid. He is on fire. He is on 47. Oh, this is good shot played by the batsman, but at the end very good fielding. Only a single. The two batsmen complete a single. With the single, the score moves on 188 for the loss of 6. Zahid Mir, he is on 48 on non-strike end. This is the 4th over of this bowler Shahid Wani. He takes 2 wickets and gave only 24 runs. Shahid to the batsman Muzammil. Oh, this is end of Muzammil Mehraj. Very good bowling at the end by Shahid Wani. He takes his 3rd wicket in the shape of Muzammil Mehraj. But at the end, this is very well luck played by the batsman Muzammil Mehraj. आज जितनी तारीफ की जाए उतनी कम है इस बैट्समैन की, इस बल्लेबाजी, क्योंकि एक अच्छी बल्लेबाजी का मुजाहरा किया। जरूरत थी इस टीम को, मुश्किलात में थी, मुश्किलात से निकाला इस टीम को इस बल्लेबाज ने, मुजम्मिल मेहराज ने। So this is the end of Muzammil Mehraj. 188 for the loss of 7. Now the new batsman, big hitter of this Ishfaq Loan. He is on strike now. This is very well knocked play today Muzammil Mehraj, जहाँ पे जरूरत है इस टीम को, मुश्किलात से निकाला इस बल्लेबाज ने। तारीफ करनी होगी इस बल्लेबाज की, अपनी टीम को एक अच्छा स्टार्ट दिया, अपनी टीम को एक प्लेटफॉर्म दिया इस मैच में बने रहने के लिए, इस टूर्नामेंट में बने रहने के लिए। Wahid Bashir, well played. Thank you, Wahid Bashir, Saab for you allow to Muzammil Mehraj. This is Shahid Ashraf join us with this live broadcast. Assalamu alaikum, wa alaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. So this is 188 on board for the loss of 7. Now 3 hours are remaining in this inning of this semi-final. Under 19 T20 Super Cup played at Chukkatul background. Shahid Wani की बात करें तो एक अच्छी बॉलिंग का मुजाहरा किया. He takes his 3rd wicket in the shape of Muzammil Mehraj. Now the new batsman is big hitter Ishfaq Loan. He is on strike. यहाँ पे आज पारी खेलनी होगी इस बल्लेबाज को, क्योंकि एक अच्छा सा टारगेट देना होगा। Can they give the target of 230, 220 to Kashmir United? This is Shahid to the batsman Ishfaq. Oh, this is great delivery, very good delivery. Beat the batsman Ishfaq alone. No run score remains on 188 for the loss of 7. This is again Shahid Wani to the batsman Muzammil Mehraj, the new batsman on strike. अगर हम इस बैट्समैन की बात करें तो एक अच्छे talented cricketer है, player है. Oh, this is fantastic delivery here, but at the end very good shot played by the batsman. 4 for Ishfaq, 4 for Chukkar Cricket. The score moves on 192 for the loss of 7. Sorry. Dar Yasin, thank you for Yasin Saab for joining us with this live broadcast. Walaikum salam Yasin Saab, आपका मुंतजर nice batting Muzammil. Thank you for your love, thank you for your support to Muzammil Mehraj. आप सभी का शुक्रिया इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़ने के लिए। इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें। This is again Shahid to the batsman Ishfaq. Ishfaq wants to hit this ball. मारना चाहते थे लेकिन पीठ हुए यहाँ पे। दाद देनी होगी इस बॉलर की, शाहिद वानी की। This is great delivery by the bowler Shahid Wani. Beat the batsman Ishfaq Loan. No run. Score remains on 192 for the loss of 7. Now 13 deliveries are remaining in this first inning of the semi-final. Shahid Wani again on his last delivery. Oh, this is another good delivery by Shahid Wani. No run. This is end of 4 overs of Shahid Wani. He take 3 wickets. Very good bowling. Only give 28 runs. आप सभी का शुक्रिया इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़ने के लिए। डार यासिन जाहिद ने अच्छी बैटिंग की। थैंक यू डार यासिन साहब फॉर योर लव टू जाहिद। नाउ जाहिद इज अगेन ऑन हिज स्ट्राइक। ही इज ऑन 48। अब जाहिद वानी को 2 रन दरकार है अपनी 50 मुकम्मल करने के लिए। एक अच्छी पारी यहाँ पे खेली, अच्छी नॉक दी अपनी टीम को। 192 ऑन बोर्ड फॉर द लॉस ऑफ 7। नाउ 2 overs are remaining in this evening of this semi-final. Faisal 45. This is the last over of this Faisal 45. He completes 3 overs and give 19 runs and take 1 wicket. Faisal to the batsman. Oh, this is great delivery, but at the end this is wide given by the umpire. The score moves on 193 for the loss of 7. आज ये तारीफ करनी होगी फैसल की, क्योंकि एक साथ दिया अपने बैट्समैन मुजम्मिल महराज को, एक अच्छी सी पार्टनरशिप दी। Oh, this is a good shot, but at the end this is a catch here. Oh, this is catch, and this is end of Zahid. Very good catch taken at Fazul by Fazul. This is end of the inning of Zahid. Very well lock played here. Very good batting by Zahid. He lost his wicket on 48. This is a very good catch taken at the end by the fielder Fazul. This is wicket for Faisal 45. 192 for the loss of 8. 10 deliveries are remaining in this evening. Can they give the target of 220 to Kashmir United? आप सभी का शुक्रिया इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़ने के लिए। इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें। 2 overs are 10 balls are remaining in this first inning of this semi-final between Chukkar Cricket Club versus Kashmir United. Now the new batsman is Mir Adil on strike. Faisal 45 take his wicket, and he take now 2 wickets. Again on his bowling bar to the batsman Mir Adil. He is on strike. The new batsman for Chukkar Cricket Club. 10 deliveries are remaining in this inning. Faisal to the batsman Mir Adil. Oh, this is great delivery by the bowler Faisal 45. Beat the batsman. मारना चाहते थे लेकिन बीट हुए यहाँ पे। एक अच्छी delivery. The score remains on 192 for the loss of 8. क्या 220-210 टारगेट दे पाएगी ये टीम, ये 2 बल्लेबाज कश्मीर यूनाइटेड को? 9 deliveries are remaining in this first inning. आज तारीफ करनी होगी मुजम्मिल महराज, जाहिद, फैसल. This is again Faisal to the batsman. This is a very good delivery. Beat the batsman Mir Adil. मारना चाहते थे लेकिन बीट हुए यहाँ पे आदिल. No run. Score remains on 192 for the loss of 8. 8 गेंदें खेलने बाकी है. अब रन्स बनाने होंगे यहाँ पे अपनी टीम के लिए, क्योंकि सेमीफाइनल है, बिग मैच है. This is again Fazil to the batsman. Another good delivery. Beat the batsman Mir Adil. No run. Score remains on 192. Fazil, very good bowling by Fazil 45. This is last delivery of this over. दस 20 रन और छूटने होंगे, क्योंकि अगर हम बल्लेबाजी की बात हो, this is great shot played by the batsman. This is 4 for Mir Adil. He opens his account with this 4. The score moves on 196 for the loss of 8. This is great shot played by the batsman Mir Adil. He opens his account with this 4. Now 6 deliveries are remaining in this first inning. Can they give the target 220, 210 to Kashmir United? It will be seen after this over. Muzammil Mehraj, very good knock. Zahid also plays very well knock. 48 runs, 62 for Muzammil Mehraj. Also Faisal plays very well knock. 23 runs. Now the 2 batsmen need to give 20 15 runs to his team because this is a big match, semi-final. The total score is 196 for the loss of 8. So this is the last over of this first evening of this semi-final. Sahil is the bowler on his bowling mark to the batsman Ishfaq Loan. यहाँ पे शॉट्स लगाने होंगे, रन देने होंगे क्योंकि एक ओवर बचा है इस इनिंग का, 6 बाले बचे हैं. फाजल टू द बैट्समैन साहिल टू द बैट्समैन इशफाक लोन. Oh, this is great shot played by the batsman, but and a very good fielding. जहाँ 4 होना था वहाँ पे 2 रन दिए, 2 रन बचाए अपनी टीम के लिए. एक अच्छी फील्डिंग का मुजाहरा किया वहाँ पे फील्डर ने, 2 रन बचाए अपनी टीम के लिए. The two batsmen take 2 runs here. Very good running by between the wickets, between the two batsmen, Adil and Ishfaq. The score moves on 198 for the loss of 8. Now 5 deliveries are remaining in this evening. Oh, this is slower delivery here. This is dot delivery. No run score remaining on 198 for the loss of 8. Again side to the batsman. Ishfaq wants to hit and oh, this is good shot played by the batsman. This is 6 for Ishfaq, 6 for Chukkar Cricket Club, and this is up 200 up for Chukkar Cricket Club. 204 runs for the loss of 8. This is great hit by the batsman. दंडनाता हुआ छक्का. यहाँ पे बॉल ही गुम हो गई. आज तारीफ करनी होगी मुजम्मिल महराज की, फैसल की, खासकर जाहिद की भी, क्योंकि एक अच्छी तेज इनिंग खेली यहाँ पे, दरकार थी उस इनिंग की. जहांगीर अगेन टू द बैट्समैन इशफाक. Oh, this is another good shot played by the batsman. Oh, this is 4 for Ishfaq, 4 for Chukkar Cricket Club. The score moves on 208. तेजी से स्कोर बढ़ता हुआ 208 रन. 3 बालें अब खेलनी बाकी है. क्या 220 टारगेट दे पाएगी ये 2 बल्लेबाज? 2 deliveries are remaining in this first inning. आज दिल खुश किया आज मुजम्मिल महराज ने, फैसल ने और जाहिद ने. Now the batsman on strike Ishfaq Loan also plays very well. Knock here. He is on 16 in 8 deliveries. 2 balls are remaining here. Again Jahangir to the batsman. Big hitter of this man, Chukkar Cricket Club. This is again good shot played by the batsman. 4. This is 4 for Ishfaq, 4 for Chukkar Cricket Club. The score moves are 212 runs for the loss of 8. यहाँ पे अगर हम तारीफ करेंगे तो मुजम्मिल की तारीफ करेंगे, फैसल की तारीफ करेंगे. जहाँ पे दरकार थी पार्टनरशिप की, जाहिद की बात करेंगे तो इसकी तारीफ करेंगे. मुश्किलातों से निकाला अपनी टीम को. 10 ओवर्स में हम ये नहीं कह सकते थे कि इतना टारगेट दे पाएगी, लेकिन दाद देनी होगी उन बल्लेबाजों की. 212 on board. Now this is the last delivery of this first inning. Zatba. This is a very good shot played by the batsman Ishfaq. This is last delivery. Oh, this is good ball by Jahangir at the end. Very good fielding, but the 2 batsmen take only one run here. So this is the end of this first inning. This is end of Ishfaq Loan. The total target is 213 runs. आखिरन कर ऐड. So the total target is 214 for